Hello to everyone listening today. Artificial intelligence is truly everywhere now. At work, on our phones, in advertisements, and even in children's toys. But people still harbor one small, lingering fear. I am being left behind by AI, or AI will take my place. At this very moment, dozens of articles on AI have been published, or hundreds of projects updated on GitHub. The question now might be exactly which one to start with and how. Many want to learn AI, but which AI for what purpose and for whom is unclear. AI doesn't struggle, but it often lacks accuracy. That's why we developed the Xarita.ai platform. This isn't just another course or a startup, it's a community-driven project, a true community initiative. This platform wasn't created in a single day or by mere chance. I dedicated an entire year to developing this roadmap. Most people make two common mistakes when learning AI. The first is not knowing which direction to choose, and the second is not knowing where to begin. With Xarita.ai, you'll progressively gain a detailed understanding of where to begin and what to study. This academic content isn't just about theories, it also provides detailed insights into real-world projects. Nowadays, many of us are actively using models like ChatGPT and Gemini. But how are these models built? From an engineering perspective, how exactly are these models constructed? What resources are required? Or what specific data is needed? We have thoroughly explained on our dedicated roadmap platform. The platform offers two distinct paths. The first one is specifically for software developers, and the second is for regular users. For instance, imagine you are a developer and you want to build an AI model. How exactly should the essential data required for this project be structured and organized? What kind of resources will you ultimately require? All of this crucial information can be easily obtained directly through our platform. And our second main focus is on you, the everyday user. You'll be able to significantly enhance your personal productivity in your daily life by effectively utilizing various types of AI. For example, in previous eras, having the knowledge to use a computer, specifically programs like Word and Excel, was considered absolutely essential. However, as of today, understanding and knowing AI has become a fundamental requirement for all sectors, virtually every single field. In short, you will simply be compelled to learn it. I didn't build this platform entirely on my own. Of course, I have a partner. My partner is also involved, and of course, he is. What you are seeing is my AI partner. This video as well was entirely created by AI Studio. If you'd like to learn more about artificial intelligence in depth, please follow my blog.